In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an eToro statement. By the end, you'll have a clean copy of your activity that you can save, share with an accountant, or analyze in a spreadsheet. Your statement includes things like deposits, withdrawals, fees, realized profits and losses, and other account movements, so it's a great snapshot of your trading history. Start by opening the settings area in your eToro account. You'll recognize it by the gear icon. From there, go into the account section where you'll find all the essentials related to your profile and preferences. Inside Account, look for Account Statement. This is the dedicated place to generate and export your activity. Once you're on the Account Statement page, choose your time range. You can set a custom start and end date, or use any presets that may be available, like last month or year to date. Pick a range that matches what you need, whether it's a monthly export for routine tracking or a full year report for tax time. If your account includes activity across different time zones or markets, be mindful of the exact date boundaries you select to ensure everything you expect is included. Large date ranges with heavy activity might take longer to compile, so if you just need a specific period, narrow it down for a faster result. After the dates are set, click Create. eToro will gather the data and build your statement. This may take a few moments depending on how much activity you have. Once the statement is ready, you'll choose the format you want to export, PDF or XLSX. Pick PDF if you want a fixed, ready-to-share document that looks the same on any device. It's ideal for records, attachments, or submitting to someone who doesn't need to manipulate the data. Choose XLSX if you plan to sort, filter, or perform calculations in spreadsheet software. This is great for deeper analysis, budgeting, and reconciling numbers with your own tracking. After you select your format, the file will download to your device. If you don't see it immediately, check your browser's download bar or your system's downloads folder. It can help to rename the file with the period it covers, like eToro Statement 2024 Q1, so it's easy to find later. If the download doesn't start, make sure your browser isn't blocking downloads, and verify you've selected a valid date range. That's it. Settings, account statement, pick your time range, create, and choose PDF or XLSX. Save the file somewhere secure, and you're all set.